These aren't surplus trucks. They are frontline units, maintained daily and rotated with purpose.
These trucks were ran right up till the sticker was put on these. They was picking up trash the day before we put a new one out. I wouldn't be afraid to jump in this truck right now and go pick up trash. It's been checked over. The tires have all been checked, hoses checked as well, just like these arms right here. They've recently been replaced. Air filters, cabin air filters, hoses, whatever this truck needs throughout the time in this shop is replaced and repaired. These trucks, when we receive them, we get them new. Pretty much every time there is some issues, there is bugs, we do work them out.
So what you're buying isn't a first run truck, it's one that's already been dialed in.
We do rotate out every year. I have a lot of questions of why do y'all put y'all's trucks up this soon. The reason we do this is we rotate them out every year because it's more cost efficient for us and somebody else will still get a good truck.
Proven, maintained, and ready to work.